May I
I'm
record,
being
may I
like,
record this for the show, alright?
okay.
Go on, show.
So like couple weeks ago, my dad brought through the internet, right? So, but it's just something about it just get me attention. It's like, cause me, I'm 32, more from Kingston, Jamaica. So my lifestyle is way different from that environment. So it's like I call up my wife and was like, we need to watch this, because she's more into different stuff. Like we are more weird, like we more watch different stuff. So what really get my attention is just the whole sensation, knowing how you deal with the people, them, or you're more collectively with them, you listen to them, you not treat them no different, you eat out of the same plate. It just really blow my mind. Even right now, me I watch it because it's addiction to me like every single day. And out of every program, if I contribute something, I really contribute something to this one. Now I'm not really get into none of these internet stuff, but I mean, for know that you just come from nowhere, from America, even though you same culture or whatever, it's that a lot of people really go out of them way for kind of open up a different mindset. So people overseas can see there's other life, other more stuff to do. It's not just a hotel, or you have to be around a lot of people. Like sometimes you have to distance yourself and like just get that spirit and just sit down with yourself and look into yourself. And I mean, I think that era where you go now, where Jesus, it blew my mind because I never know places like that in a Jamaica. To be honest, like the peace. No, listen, me travel to Jamaica 2, 3 times a year, 4 times. I may spend 2 months, 3 months. It depends how long I want to stay. And I stay in Kingston, and I never in my life, have a family member cook a meal for me. If the other day I go to Jamaica, I went in November, and I look at a family member and him say, I'm say, what you cook? Him say, I cook okay, and him a cook sausage. And I said to him, say, well, boy, I'm in the too like the salt, the the sausage, And him said, then, well, anything where you want, you have to put the money towards it. I'm almost fair fish, and him say $1,000 for quarter pound or half pound, something like that. And the point what me I say, what me I get to, the love what me say Baba, Patrick, um, Porky, the other young guy we can cook. Let me tell you something. If we supposed to have a lot of people like these people, you see the kind of you see where you open up and could give me more knowledge and make me come to my realization and say it's not all Jamaicans is the same. You have a lot of good people and you are one of the bloggers them who really get my mind and soul. I'm saying, no, I will contribute to this show. I'm a big fan of it because these people on your show, only if them know the love and the daytimes I may spend and look into them. Listen, you have a group of people. They are fabulous. I will spend the whole day with them. I mean, it's a ton money now.
Mm-hmm.
But it's just the way all them treat her like these people genuinely are some loving people. I don't know where you get these people from. But even the young girl was saying travel to Germany and cook and all these things, they are the people them just immaculate. Like you just cannot find people like them there. So I say, you know what? But I watch and see Biggs calling and the guy is very knowledgeable. See a guy will not even travel that much. And for knowing that the other lady, I mean, we don't want to bring down people. 2019, up to uplift. I mean, the guy have a lot of knowledge. And he's very open-minded. And if a lot of people just take the time out and just listen to each one of the call of them, because 7 different minds, 7 different brother.
Mm-hmm.
Would we're not about judging anybody or say who forced to believe. Everybody have their own beliefs.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, if Oprah, anybody make a quote about anything, you as a human being can look into it because Mr. George and George is Mr. Governor. Anybody can look into it and make a decision if you want to concept that or if you don't want to concept that. The greatest thing is life.
Mm-hmm.
You open the door and you show them, so, well, listen, you know, have to have this for happy and you know, have to have that. Look at me. I could be anywhere in the world. When I'm there in Norway, I'm there in Hanover. And look at me, I eat the best meal. I get the best treatment. I'm not have to stay at a 7-star or a 5-star hotel for sure that I'm living the life. And Virgin, whatever you're doing, you're a God bless. A lot of these things that you're showing right now, a lot of people should like and subscribe and bring these things to the forefront and stop put up all of the nonsense then. So other people in America or different genre of the world can look into shows like these and get really and just accept Jamaica and stop listening to these foolishness who are dead over there, so who not dead over there. So people put them life and nobody not dead for now in Jamaica. Anywhere you go, you can go to Body Setter era, go one shop and buy one bag juice and go about your business. People think before they react at Jamaica. Nobody's not fool at Jamaica. So all of the killings and all of the nonsense them who are going at Jamaica, people put themselves in that situation. Them have to deal with that. But I would have love what you do and anything. I'm not a big work, I'm not a big this, but if I can contribute something, I will really feel compelled and feel good in myself, knowing that you have taken my mind and teach me different knowledges. At first, when I was just watching it, I'm being honest, me, I look down upon it like, I want to them people, them nonsense. I what this my day I watch? I'm saying, no, you know what? I go watch it day by day. And each time I watch it, I realize you are such a nice person that the patience where you have and you react towards these people. You never treat none of them low, high. Patrick is immaculate. All of the people them for your show is just great. So, I don't really want all of it stuff really long and really have to call because I could never live another day without make that phone call because I really didn't want to get it across that it's a great thing and I wouldn't mind to continue the journey and the power just push more. And the second trip, if you can get it out there more and more, because a lot of people in America not access to internet and all of these things. So whatever platform, you can get these things out across and show people, say, well, listen, there's other life out there. We're a union and we can come together and make it happen. Don't listen to the animosity around here and all of these nonsense. Well, I want people and make it do it. And I'm telling around you're full of knowledge and I'll give the high respect to the max. And whatever I can do, or whatever, but I really greatly can give it off and know, say, yo, really understand. I'm telling you, I watch a show for hours, you know. I something we have to sit down and eat and watch it, and nothing that miss me on that show there. And you see the young guy where in the farm, I don't remember what his name.
Danny.
And then did I put the thing on his face.
Danny.
That guy have a lot of knowledge, but he's a very emotional guy whenever I speak. But he's a good guy.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a lot of people watching it, but a lot of people might scare for calling or give them input or them output on it. But it's a great thing, and I really appreciate what you're doing for Jamaica. And I wish all of these so-called corporation people will look into this and realize that you are spreading a platform for Jamaica in so much way that it's not even funny because them have all of the credentials can do it. So people from the outside, Jamaicans, not about white people, can look into what's going on and say, okay, then there's the other way out. Not just showing the pretty beaches and all of these things to catch white people and all of this. Not being racist, but to catch these kind of people and let them thinking, oh well, this is the pretty Jamaica. We have other rural area that need some attention, and people like you go out there and are kicking down fences and showing them that, well, listen, whole heap of good people there here. And this is not it's not an act, because me, I'm very sensitive. I watch every clip, every details. So, when I play games on the show, I can say, well, said I want to show all these people are true to you. And then and then put them on in every meal with them gear.
Mm-hmm.
So, all of them people there would have really give them some great appreciation for really take them time out of them day, whatever they were doing, just to accommodate you with that stay. Blessings go with them.
Mm-hmm.
So that's really my final by getting off my chest, because I really want to get it off from last week and from the other week, because I've been on the show over 3 weeks, so I'm going to a month, and every single clip I watch, nothing details. So you must know how I pay attention to it.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so I don't know what you have to say to me towards everything, but as I said, I really appreciate for you just open that country rural area to me.
Mm-hmm.
So me can have an outside look, not just stuck in a Kingston and just have a Kingston mind.
Mm-hmm.
Thinking like everybody a thief, everybody a liar, everybody just onto something. Mm-hmm. When me see those people stand by you, me realize that a lot of good people there. But it's just the people you surround yourself with.
Yes. Virgin,
right.
I mean, I really appreciate honesty. Where you're speaking honesty, you're speaking soul. The man speak with love and passion. You receive the love where I try to send out the healing energy, where I try to send out we and me, where we are trying to send out to the world. And when we capture is Jamaica and Jamaicans. First, I always say to people, I'm going to go to Jamaica, I'm going to go see Jamaica. And a Jamaica build way, a Jamaica feed way, a Jamaica teach way. We are Jamaicans so happens to be on this land like all man with Africa are human beings. You just happen to be at a spot, regardless how you get there. So Jamaica is different from Jamaicans. So this is what I'm saying. When people are talking about Jamaica, know what you're talking about. When you talk about Jamaicans, know what you're talking about. But when you blend the two together, if you know how to blend it, and if you know how to move when you're blending it, and it's how your movement. So when you see the light where them show me, and the light where me I show them, because me did have to build my spirituality with a supreme love, regardless of religion. Me have to love everyone. So when me come around you, and you can't do nothing but love me, and then when you see how me move, so. If the people that will come in Jamaica, then will have the intent of supreme love, them not going to get it back. So, my journey is a reflection. And every man's journey will come to Jamaica should be a reflection. So when you shine and I show you love, if you pierce your love in a people, man, even when them are hate you, still are piercing at them, at some point, them are going to show it to you back. Because that is what we do. We hold back with love sometimes because of fear. And then once we start being afraid, then we can't shine. And when we can't shine, we can't illuminate. When we can't illuminate, we can't change people around me. And even the one them, you have to, when me and Bubba fight down there, me and Mama war, And then the next day, boom, love. And me and Danny, we have an argument, love. So the thing is, when we are come from abroad, man, and we are coming, we have to go we have to go up to their level. We have to go on. Listen, let me just finish talk. We have to go up to Jamaicans' level. Then they're on a level of survival where we not depend when we leave. Them man, they don't have health insurance. Then we take your underwear when you leave. And wear your underwear. When me give man my boxers, them man, they wear it. And because me see them man, they wear my underwear, me say, you know what? A different levels this. Them man, yeah, when the man them come in your bag and take your things, them just want they close to you. I know the things, open up your bag and make them take whatever they want. And let me just finish. So basically, when I realize for the years I go to Jamaica, is that people when we and them did in the same war as Maroons. We did a fight the same struggles, but here what happened? When we get the program, you know, they never get the full dose of programming we get. So when we left them on, we never really come build institution, a hospital for them. Them say, but wait, now where you did a fight the same war? I wanna gone and left way. So there is a broken relationship when the family start turn against foreigner because the family is broken. The relationship we once had as a people is broken.
Sure.
So now, look upon a Kingston man like you. All of your family come from country, you know. So then them never bring you back home and show you the ways of the spirit. Them never teach you about the food. Nobody never bring you back home from Kingston.
No, sir.
God not living in a city. God live in a country. So the people that will live in a country, you know, Bush Bantan that's in a city, there's no fruits. The city not being no fruits. So what going to happen? The people that were in a Kingston is a melting pot of the country people. One of the strongest, you know, in a Jamaica, Kingston. Because them come from, it's like the pyramids of Egypt. Them come from all the place over Jamaica to build Kingston. Uno became solid, uno became so strong, uno bear the pain of Kingston and things say, and that's one of the for there. But that's where uno come from. Uno come from Bush. So when we show them this program now, and you connect to something, you connect to your roots, you connect to your culture. So when people from Kingston come foreign and them run gone, it's because they got such a beaten with Kingston. When them come on foreign, them not go back to Jamaica. Because them don't know what Jamaica is. Them think that Jamaica Kingston. Jamaica not Kingston.
Sure.
You see me? So when them come to Brooklyn and them see the nice house and the nice glass building them and them say, yes, me the heaven. Because for them hell was Kingston and New York or Canada or Toronto or Europe become them heaven. But my heaven was Bush. So when me go New York, me reach hell. So then if you look upon it that way, then you understand why them would have say, me nah come back to Jamaica. Because them don't know where heaven is. Them never grow at night. You see me? So you know, I find out where your spirit root there. Where your grandfather come from. So when you watch it through the eyes of your grandfather and your grandmother. And you say, what go on with me? So now when we produce this thing, I did live in a couple of parishes. Me know Jamaica. And you say when me take on to St. Mary now, when me take on to St. Mary now, I'm going to bless you now. Brethren, so this blessing has just begun. That's why when them donate, the link there underneath every video, the PayPal link. When you know, the next, me say to every Jamaican, you know, every time you see $1 in our wallet, no one will spend it. Because there's a mission, there's a movement going on. Jamaica Good Life. Una go buy the t-shirt, JamaicaGoodLife.com. This is a movement of positivity where I go heal with people. And all the content we produce is timeless. You can watch it from now till the morning. We can reconstruct our country if we reconstruct the soul and spirit of the people first. And no politics, and no government, and no money, and no school, and no education. A soul. And with people's soul right now in turmoil. So this is what we seek to do, is to rebuild soul. And Jamaica have all of the tools to rebuild man's soul. So you are Kingston man, and the reason why I respect what you say, because I come from a man heart of Kingston. And that's why I respect you, because you go through hell. Every day, more time is like hell, and still, you produce the greatest music in the world. Kingston do that. A Kingston heal the whole world. After the hell you go through, you heal the world with reggae. So still, when you look upon it and the perception, I love Kingstonians, and I want them to come back to the balance, go back to them roots. Instead of no say, yo, the people in the country, them they with love because nature show them love in certain ways. But uno show the world love through reggae and through no pain. So, Bridget, anytime you're in Jamaica, any connection you want, you link me on my phone. When you travel, you meet the Good Life crew, and you can have the same life with them. You see me come and say honesty. And I know everybody may give connection. Let me tell you that.
Sure.
All right, my lord?
My wife wants to say something to you before we go, because she's very kind of impressed knowing that we step out of the box. I should never ever see me at this pattern. Never.
Mm-hmm.
So I just hurt here.
Blessings.
Mr. Good Life.
Blessings, 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 love.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. Blessings.
Wish you health, strength, and prosperity and more content for the new year.
Yes, yes, blessings. Yes, yes.
Yeah, my husband, I'm up to your content.
Eh? Let me ask you something. In buying no flowers
Yeah.
to you, want to buy no expensive? Did you guys buy no expensive shoes recently? Can I feel me money that, you know? That I feel me money.
No.
Bless
Your
up.
money man support your money man support your thing, man.
Give
I really
thanks.
like it, money man support your thing, man.
So you guys watch it
I support
together?
your t-shirt and thing, huh?
You watch it together?
Yeah, man. It's our nightly.
Wow.
It's our nightly program.
Wow.
So him come from work, bed, let him go bed, and him turn it on.
So what me I gonna do? How me I gonna keep this up? Me can't keep this up.
But just keep the link and support, man.
I'm so happy.
That's where it's going on.
I'm happy it brings joy
Because
to
some
you
of the
guys.
content, them are supposed to be them part of Jamaica.
Eh? And you grew up in a
Yes,
Kingston
man.
with them?
All your sip where you make.
Did you make none for your husband yet?
Yeah, huh?
Did you make any for your husband yet?
No, sir. I'm not going to make sip because I'm not about the color, but he did go to place, but he never did get the color.
Okay.
Then I have your recipe for your sip.
I'm glad say it bring on the love, happiness, and joy.
Yeah.
It's so me I say, I'm glad son I love it, man. I love it. Blessings.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
take care of yourself and thing, and
Keep
keep
watching.
in contact and watch your thing, man. And
Share it on
So.
Facebook and
yeah, man, we share it on Facebook
give
and
thanks.
Instagram. You there on Instagram?
Yeah, man. Jamaica Good Life on Facebook, Jamaica Good Life
Yeah,
on
on
Instagram. When I have to share it every day, and I want to heal the world by doing the movements too. Not just sit down with a big toenail and just watch TV.
I'll watch it stuff for yourself.
Do it.
A true man.
Be a
Sure
part
some
of the
my
mission,
friend them
man.
when I come to Jamaica in a while.
Yeah, man. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm bringing laptops to Jamaica in the ghetto to show them
Yeah.
these films on projectors. So this is why I want people to donate
good.
because there's a bigger mission going on. The link
Yeah.
is below each video. So more, every Jamaican will listen to this. This is the time for we heal the country and create the bridge between much of our people with love, you know?
Yeah.
Blessings.
I mean, it's a good thing that you're doing. It's a good thing, and it's out of the box.
Mhm.
And it's different from what everybody else is doing on YouTube. It's different, and it's out of the box.
And
And
the,
it's a good movement.
and the family, man, you soon see everybody start doing the same damn thing. Watch.
That's true. It's a genuine content. That's the difference. You're genuine. You can see the genuineness in the people. You can't say, I know the people them at this stuff.
Yes. Yes.
It's genuine, and that makes a whole difference in a lot of things that make a difference.
Give
And the
thanks.
genuinity of stuff.
My love on them.
Keep up the good work.
My love on them, man. Blessings.
Keep up the good work. Take care of yourself and respect.
Respect.
All right, then.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Yes, people, support the thing. Season 2 is coming. Season 2 is coming. So we need gas money. Enough things are going. Travel. One buy a car down there. You see me? And keep the thing going. Blessed and love. This is Jamaica Good Life, man called Randy.